Hello, everyone. So we expect value. So we have E of X. So E of X is expect value. So people you so this one expect value. Okay. So people you expectation to make important decision and many different areas, for example, expectation using the business to predict the future profits of the new products. In the insurance industry, expectation um in the use is used to determine how much each insurance policy could cost the company to make over profits. Expectations is also used predict expect against loss game chain to set up the lottery or a rotate crab and slot machine. Rolex lottery, Rolex, wrap, and pop machine. So we have a formula for this. So the formula for this, so I just put the amount you win, amount you win, amount you win times probability of the win plus amount you lose time probability of lose. Okay. So in the game, you have 2% chance of the win for $94 and 98% chance to lose $8 in the amount. Row write a dollars amount and you win or the lose respect stage. So we can put in some of the numbers in here. So the total you win. So the win right here. So 94%. $94, right? You change win only what? 2%. The probability, this one, 0.2. But you lose $8. So this one is 98%. You lose $8. I know it's you win is only 2%. You win is $94 and 98% you lost is $8. So right now we can do it for this expectation. So we have E of X equals 94 times 0.02 plus minus 8 and 0.98. So this one equal for so you got minus $5.96. So it's the loss against. Yes, this is you lose. This is the money amount you lose. You lose $5.96. That is the chance for you can like when you gambling, and that is you lose, you lost. So on the average. You on the average, you will lose $5.96. So you will lose $5.96. You lost the money. Okay, that is you lost the money. Even when you whatever the thing is. So that's why how they get the money, like to pay everything for it. They not like uh uh open the casino and then you can win your stuff in there. You see those, so that's why they have a profits a lot. See, this is the time. So this one is you win only the chance only 2%. You win $94, but as 98%, you lose $8. But the average, you lose $5.96 in I can say in 1,000. No, in $100. So if you place, that's how the way you lose. Okay. Um. So for example, number two, Kevin estimate that is 6% chance he will make 80,000 dollars and 40% chance he will lose the 20,000 by the expected value. So expected value. So this one he hit profits, right? Amount of profits 80,000. He get only 6%, oh 0.60 or 60, and he lost is 20,000. But it's 4%. So expect value E of X. So we got 80,000 times 0.6 plus and minus 20,000 times 4% or 0.4. So we got as 40,000. So expect value is his profit for $40,000. So we have expect value and against or loss. The expect value is excused extensively in the game of chance insurance and the area of the application called decision theory. Let's look at the following two examples and calculate expect value gains or loss. So for example, a ski resort lose 70,000 per season when it's not snow very much and make 250,000 profit when there's snow a lot. The probability that the snow as at least 5 inches, etc. A good season is 40%. So we have using the table guide, you find expectation profit and explain what does that mean. So the profit for this one is 250,000 in what? In 40%. So in the 40%, remember always we have to 40% plus whatever is that, so we equal for the always 100% or equal to 1. So this one and then this one, the loss is 70,000 and then in the chain is 60%. So for expectation, so we have 250,000 times 440 plus 70,000 times 60%. So this one is 58,000. So what is expect so what would mean expect value was 0? So we have that amount of money right there. There's the profits right there. So what is expect value money for this? So we have what? On average, P result would neither make a profit nor lose money. They would break even. So even, they break even. Okay. For example number 2, a contractor considers sell the promised profit for 8,000 with a probability for 0.7 or loss. Do no matter about whether strike or and etc. as such. So of 16,000 with a probability of 30%, what is the expected profit? So we have, as the profit in here is 38,000, and with what? 70%, and if loss is 16,000, should be as 30%. So expectation value, so we got 38,000 times 0.7 plus and minus 16,000, 0.3. So this one is 21,000. So explanations is the same thing on the top. Okay. So right now, do you want to know is what is the life insurance? So right now, as we can study for the life insurance, and you see is how they make the money. A life insurance company charged 23 years old male premium is 300 for 1 years of premium 300 for 100,000 life insurance policy. So 23 years old has the 0.9975 probability and living for a year. What expects value insurance policy? So we have what? He will receive the money for when he die. Okay, when he die, is he have 100,000, right? 100,000. The premium for 1 year, each year he had to pay 300 up to whatever when he dies, right? So this when the this one is the percent 99.75%, or we can say 99.75. So how much for this? So we got 1 minus 99.75. Remember, we always this one at this one equal 1, right? So if we don't know this, so we get 1 minus for this. So 1 minus that, so we have 0.0025. So 0025. So we have expectation X. So we got minus 300 times 4,995 plus 1,000, 100,000, 0.0025. So this one we got minus 49.25. So you see this? We not even make the money, but we lost this much not amount of money. So for per year, that's just how we lost the money. I know it seemed like really much, right? When you get this like life insurance, they always the company they always tell you good, but you never know. So this one is on average. He is expect to lose $49.25 per year. You see that? That's how they're making the money from yours per year. That's how the insurance company they try to make the money from yours. So you lose the money as every year. That's how you lose that. So now we go with the next example. Example number 4 for outdoor concert, Los Angeles Philharmonic Orchestra at the Hollywood Bowl concert organized. Estimate 14,000 people attend is not remain. So 14,000 people is not in the rain. It is the raining concert organized. Estimate 84,000 people will attend. So 84,000 will attend. And one day the concert meteorology predict 70% chance of rain. So predict 7% chance up will go. And you have determined expect the number who will at the concert. So the number of the people is rain when they stay. So this one is 8,400, and they predict is 70% chance. And if it doesn't rain, so this one 14,000 people. But this one is, so we got is 1 minus 0.70, so we had 30, so 30% probability. So we have expectations X value 8,400 times 70% plus 1,400 or 14,000, sorry, times 30%. So we have what? 10,000 80 people are X10. So 10,080 people are 10. expect to expect to show show up, right? Expect to show up. Okay. So 10,080 people expect to show. So we have this. The Triple L investment club is the considered certain stock. After considerable research, the club member determined that is 60% change after making 10,000. So they have what? They have 60 and the chance to make 10,000, 10% change, breaking even, and 30% chance losing 7,200 determines the project. So we have to make in the table. Let me make in the table. So this one amount, this one a probability, probability, probability. Okay. And this one is profit. And this one is breaking event. Breaking even. Okay. And this one losing. Okay. So this one is 10,000 and breaking even is no. And this one is 7,200 for losing. And this one is 60%. And this one is 30. So this one is 10%. Right? So probability E of X. So we get 10,000. 60 plus 0 times 10 plus, so this one the losing, okay? So this one the minus 7,200 and 30. So this should be as 3,840. So on average, the club will make $3,840. Okay, so thank you very much.